Yo, what up? What's poppin' YouTube? It's your boy Q the Influencer, and we back with another video, man. Yo, today, I want to ask the viewers a question, man. I got a crazy comment today, man. In the midst of taking my L's on the Cactus Plant Flea markets. But yeah, so, I got a crazy question, a crazy point of feedback today while taking my L on the Cactus Plant Flea market AF1s, man. I needed them shits, man. I had so many plants. Yo, if anybody out there watching the channel, man, if you happen to have this colorway, I know everybody was being thirsty, going straight for the ones that were already pre-made, but man, I knew it. I knew it was coming. I need this colorway right here in size 13. Hit your boy up. Instagram information in the box below, in the description below, man. Hit your boy up, man. I would love to have those things. Size 13 gang. You already know what time it is. And of course, if you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button, man. Make sure you hit that like button, man. Yo, and holla at me. Join the family. It's Food Gang TV. And as we proceed to give you what you need, let's get into it. Yo, so again, for like the third time, a subscriber, hit me up on one of my videos in the comments section, like, man, Q, yo, bro, you should really consider changing your name, man. It's too damn hard to find you on YouTube, man. And it was crazy that, he actually hit me with that, because, to be completely honest, like, hell, I get tired of typing the shit in all the goddamn time. But, when you early on, in your YouTube career, man, you trying to really think about, who are you, how you gonna connect with, the audience, man. You thinking of all the different types of joints, man. Influence to me is what all this stuff is about, what the sneaker game is about. Everything is influenced by something, like these Cactus Plant Flea market joints today. We all suckers to the hype. We were all influenced to the hype. I do it for the big boys out here. I show love. I do it for my city, Chicago. And I do it from the perspective of your average everyday sneakerhead, man. You see me out here, you see my vlogs, you see me out here in the streets. Yeah, I got relationships, man, but I try to touch the items just like you trust the items, man. I just think, I'm a fan of the experience. I'm a fan of talking to people. I just think that, if you're not engaging and interacting with that, then what are you doing it for? So when I thought about, Q the Flu, Q the Influencer, it just had a nice little ring to it, and it personified, who I thought I was, who I think I am, and, who I was trying to be, man. Influencing, you, from a genuine standpoint, when it comes to this fashion and sneaker game, man. But, hey, man, a little rebranding may be in order, man. So, I've definitely been considering, definitely doing something with more of a play, on, my city, and just really making it just a standard thing, man. So no matter what, when you hit me, you know who it is, you know how we coming, man. So I think I might actually do it. Y'all let me know in that comment box, man. I want to hear from y'all though, man. Should I change my name? Should I not change my name? I don't know, man. I need y'all to holler at me. Let me know what I should do. I'll be happy to hear your feedback, man. What should my name be? If you, the viewer, if you could tell me if you could, give your favorite YouTuber a name, what should my name be? Y'all let me know in the comment box, man. Again, man, if you came up on that size 13 of Cactus Plant Flea markets, I need those joints, man. So holla at your boy, man. Yo, shout out to my man Wani Worldwide. Got the new Chicago native drip. That orange and black. Y'all know how I feel about orange and black. Shout out to everybody that went to the Bird College alma mater colors. And it's Halloween, right on time, perfect. I just got here just before Halloween. Hey, we out of here, baby. It's your boy Q the Flu, Q the Influencer. Maybe for the last time. You already know how we rockin'. Gang, gang, bang, bang. We out.
This Chicago.